Okay. So
Yes,
I
sir.
think Bhavani Unnam, I think your mic was unmuted, ma, the beginning of session. So please double check, guys. When you're speaking with someone, you are in mute or unmute. Okay. Yeah. Let's get into the content. So the last session I was discussing about array functions. So before that, guys, I think I have explained about how to create an array, how to update an array, right? And how to access the array elements. So I think that's the portion we completed. And these are some array methods. The basic array methods I covered. So today I'll try to cover, some advanced methods in array, which will be used in projects and not only projects. If you are from Java background, there's a Java 8 features. Okay, make a note. Those are from Java background. Java 8 features. So in Java 8 features, there is a concept called Stream API. So now whatever the advanced method I was discussing now, I mean next couple of minutes. So that methods will be there in Java as well. Okay. So it will be benefit to you. Even I think I remember in Python also we do have that methods. Okay, let's get into the advanced methods. So far, guys, do you have any queries? If not, I'll move forward. Any queries on arrays?
Sir, you didn't tell about join.
No. I'll explain today. I think join only the one thing is missing, right? Yeah, I'll explain that as well. Anything else? Guys, how to array, how to update array, how to access array. And yesterday the important topic was the difference between normal for loop and your for off loop. Can one have a comment on it? The difference between for and for off. Anyone, please? When to use for? When to use for off? At least you remember at least 1 or 2 points. That's fine. I'll summarize. Guys, I was just asking the difference between this for loop and the for off because both are for iterating mechanisms. Yeah, what is the difference? Don't describe me by seeing the syntax. Which one has, the complex syntax? For loop or for off?
For loop.
Yes. And which one, based on index, we can retrieve the element. Which one we can retrieve the element based on elements.
By index using for loop.
Correct. So yeah, for loop will access the elements based on indexes, whereas for off will directly access the elements. And where we can traverse the elements in reverse order, and where we can skip the elements and we can traverse where
For
it is
loop.
feasible.
For
Yes,
loop.
that feasibility is not there in the for off. Correct. So I think these are the the bullet points, guys, that you have to remember. Okay, I'll be discussing today Farish also. Okay. I'll be discussing Farish also today. It's a method actually. It's not a keyword. So the first two are keywords, but yeah, the for each is not a keyword. It's a method. I'll be showing you guys how to use the for each also today. Okay. So these are the yesterday my methods, guys, which I have explained. So I'll be discussing first with the join method. So what join simple it will do is, let me take a quick online JavaScript compiler. And guys, after the today class, right, I given some list of tasks you to practice. So just practice them, okay? And yeah, so I'll be creating one array. The array name is something, numbers. I have a elements like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Now, if I do console.log of numbers, if I do console.log numbers, you can see the elements are displaying in an array format, right? You can see the array format, nothing but you can see the elements are enclosed within a square basis, enclosed within a square basis, and by the comma separation, right? Comma separation, right? Now, if I use a join function, dot join, okay, if you use dot join, and guess whenever you use a join, you should specify, a delimiter. So a delimiter in the sense, I'll show you guys what is delimiter in the sense. First, let me run it, and guys, you can see the differences with and with join, the first substitution was no square bases, right? Point number one, everyone clear. Point number two is, they separate with the comma, like how they are, separated with comma in original array. But instead of comma, if I write space, okay, if I write space, now guys, you can see, they separated with the spaces. Now, if I write something, a dollar, okay, they separate with something, dollar guys. Okay, so what I want to discuss here, join, take argument as a delimiter. A delimiter is nothing but a special character. Okay, it could be a comma, it could be a space, it could be any special character. Now, if I give space, yeah, they'll separate it with the space, guys. Now, whenever you use a join, right? Guys, whenever you use a join, your complete numbers will become a string, guys. Your complete numbers will become a string here. So what join will do is it return the string, guys. It return the string. And if you want to verify, we can see let some outcome equaled, okay, outcome, and then just say outcome first console.log and just say we do have something, type of, right, type of output also. You can see, the both differences. Guys, can you see line number 4? Okay, so what I was doing, I was taking your array numbers and I was separating with the space delimiter. Okay, and as I explained just now, join will return string. Whatever the array you will give it, whatever the array you will give it, what join will do, convert it into string, guys. Now you can see line number 5. What I was doing, I was just calculating, I was checking, what type of variable it is. So if you see, the out type is string. Now if you see the slide, now see the definition, what join is doing. It converts your array into string. It would convert your array into string, and whatever the delimiter will give it, with the delimiter, it will separate this way. I hope this will make sense what join will do. Guys, make sense? Hey, guys, I'm asking everyone.
Yes, sir.
Sir, concatenation. Combine.
Yes, we can say that way also. You're right. Okay. So yeah, I think yesterday some programs I already have forwarded, right? And today also, guys, I'll be sending the program portion that whatever we were practicing now, whatever we were practicing now. And also on the top, if you see, on the top, if you see, I given multiple questions to you to practice. See on the top. Maybe after today class, you can spend some time and finish this task, guys, on arrays only. And what are the functions I was explaining today? So that is the only the basics you need to have it to solve all the answers. Okay. So this is the first topic today. Join, and let me cover other function. Other advanced functions today. So this is the advanced function, guys. Around we have 6 advanced functions here. The first one is map, next filter, next reduce, next find, sum, every. Don't look at the purpose and example, please. Don't look at it because it's very tough to you to understand. But I'll explain you with some examples, guys, so that you can understand. Okay. Let's say, okay. Let me take one example. In Zomato, you ordered 3 items. Okay, 3 items, and here you the bill. During adding the items into the cart, you can see the prices, 100, 150, 200. Okay, 3 prices, 100, 150, 200 during, you're adding the items. But whenever you're doing the payment, right, suddenly you have seen something, extra 5 rupees on each item. Okay, 105, 155, and 205. And they given a description on the down, they added, 5 rupees extra on delivery charges. Now, in this context, original array is 100, 150, 200, correct? Now, what they did, they added a 5 rupees package charges. Example, package charges. So what they did, they take each element from your array and they added 5 rupees extra to each element. Simply what you're doing, they are mapping each element with a new value. I'll repeat, in this context, what they're doing, they're mapping each array element with a new value. I'll repeat one more time. because that's the definition of map. What map will do is it will take, it will map each element. It will map each element with a new value. I hope everyone clear what is map in this context. Hey, I need acknowledgement, please.
Yes, sir.
You're not supposed to worry about, how the code goes, okay? But just you need to understand when to use map. Don't go for purpose, don't go for example, please. We should know first of all when to use map. Okay, does that make sense, everyone? Hey, I need kind of thumbs up or like symbol, whatever it is. I need confirmation, please. And as I explained, these are not limited to your JavaScript. They're still there in Java, Java 8 features. If you can just search it now, Java 8 features. Okay, you can get it. Okay, yeah. Let's jump to something, filter, guys. Now let's stop. Let me give you, same context to you, the filter. Maybe. Okay, let me take you. Okay. Okay, let me take you this context, guys, because it's there in a big basket now. Okay, it's there in a big basket. So in big basket, you have a flexibility to order rice bag also. Okay, rice bag also. Okay, assume you added one rice bag. Okay, you can add two rice bags. Okay, and let's say the prices, no matter the prices. So the rice bag weight is 25 kgs. So first you click on add, one item is added, 25 kgs. Next, one more time you click on add, so one more item is also added. Okay, and after adding two items, and yeah, you went for a wheat, and there's a 5 kg. Okay, 5 kg items. Now you keep on added. 2-3 items you added. So now in your cart, two items are there. One is rice, and one is wheat, right? And the weights also I explained, right? 250 kgs, and this is some 5 kgs. Now let's say big basket is not delivering the items which are more than 40 kgs. That's the use case. During your checkout process, okay, which items will be discarded from your cart as per the big basket use case? Wheat or rice. They cannot allow more than 400 kg. They cannot do the, they cannot process it. Which one will be discarded? Hey, wheat or rice? Rice we added two quantity of 250 kgs, and wheat we added 5 kgs of let's say 5 bags. Tell me which item will be discarded?
Rice one bag.
Rice, no. Only rice, no. Guys, are you following? I'm giving a real-time
Yes,
use
sir.
case.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Only rice bag.
Exactly, that's what your filter will come. So filter used to apply some condition on an item. Okay, now guys, even in the examples I'll explain. If you see the map, hey guys, if you see the map, 1 to 3 is your array. Okay, 1 to 3 is your array. Dot map, and map will take the argument as a callback function. Map will take the argument as a callback function. Now see guys, it's a you can remember PAF shortcut, PAF. First parameter x is nothing but each element will come, guys. X is first time it will become 1, second time x will become 2, third time x will become 3. Okay, now what I'm doing here, hey, what I'm doing
Multiplying by two elements.
exactly. So now what map will return? Guess what map returns here?
2, 4, 6.
Exactly. So first x is 1 into 2. Next to x is 2 into 2. Next x is 3 into 2. So it will return 1, 4, and 6. That's what map will do it. I think you are clear on the definition and the example now. Maybe I can take one more example and I'll explain. Don't worry. Let's talk about the filter, guys. So now if you see again 10, 20, 30 are 10, 20, 30 are your array elements. Okay. Dot filter. It take argument as a callback. Now guys, I was writing the callback. It's x arrow x greater than 3. Sorry, x greater than 15, guys. X greater than 15. I written x greater than 15 here. Imagine I written x greater than 15. Now first x will become 10, right? Is a condition is satisfied or not? X greater than 15. First X value,
False.
false. Second 20,
True.
30.
True.
How many values are returning true?
Two values.
What are they?
20,
20
30.
and 30.
That's what filter will do. Am I clear? What filter will do?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I can give a lot of examples. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. I want to ask one random question here. So assume 10, 20, 30 are there. 10, 20, 30 are there. Now I want to filter only even elements from array. Only even elements from array. Now tell me this how condition goes.
X percentile by
Percentile 2 is equals to 0.
Exactly. I'll give you that example as well. Don't worry. Okay. So let's talk about something. The third one, reduce. Guys, I hope everyone clear on map and reduce. Sorry, map and filter. Map is to change each element in array. Simple words. Map is to change each element from an array. Next, filter used to apply a condition on each element in an array. Filter used to apply a condition on each element in an array. You can write a one test condition on each element. Now let's talk about reduce. It's very straightforward actually. Let's say you have a Zomato cart with three items: 100, 150, 200. 100, 150, 200. Generally, how you do add, guys? As a human being, how you'll do 100 plus 150. So you'll get 250.
Adding
Right?
sum.
No. As a human being, I was telling you, 100 plus 150, you'll get 250. Now 250 plus one more item is a 200. Now, yeah, 150 plus 200, 350. Right? That way we calculate it as a human being. Finally, what you'll get? Like 100 plus 150, 250, 250 plus 200, yeah, 450, right? Sorry, my bad. 250, 450 you'll get, right? Your array has three elements. At the end, what you get? You get a single value, correct?
Element.
Single element. That's what reduce will do. Reduce used to combine all your array elements into a single value. Single value. Now, if you do array is 1, 2, 3, dot if you call reduce, and here a comma b nothing but, guys, a comma b nothing but 1 comma 2 first time. A comma b nothing but 1 comma 2 first time. Okay. Now maybe it's arrow, then it could be a plus b. Okay. So a plus b nothing but 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2, how much? 3, right? Now the 3 will be stored into a. 3 will be stored into a. And the next last 3 is there, na? That 3 will be stored into b. Now what is returning? 3 plus 3, 6, right? So if you call it reduce, it will return 6, guys. That's what the reduce will do on high level. So what reduce will do, it will reduce your entire array into a single element. I'll repeat, reduce what it will do, it reduce your entire array into a single element. Guys, I believe everyone clear on map, filter, reduce. Can I go to the next? Can I
Yes.
go next? First, understand
Yes,
theoretically.
sir.
Program is, very simple. First, try to understand theoretically.
Sir, if in reduce how many elements is there, they will convert only.
Correct, Rohit. Yes. Whatever the elements you give, it will convert into single element. I mean, single value. Example is summing array elements. Make sense?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
in real time, where we can.
Same. Zomato is case. You have a 3 items. Once you get into the payment page, you'll get total. No, that's what reduce will do.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Guys, I was not giving LKG level examples to you. Trust me. Whatever I used in my projects, maybe Java or JavaScript, no matter, because in both ways we use this in both ways. And you know how Java 8 features are hotcake in the market. I mean, few people, those who are already started giving interviews, the importance of Java 8 features. Okay. So let's talk about something last to find some every. All are guys used to apply a condition on an element. All three find some every, you can apply a condition like your filter, but the difference is what find will do, it return the first matching value only. It will return the first matching value only. Let's see, guys. Right side, see. 5, 10, 15 is your array, correct? Now you're finding x is nothing but each element, guys. Again, don't think much thing. X is nothing but each element. Now we have 3 elements, right? Now we have a condition is x greater than 8. X greater than 8. 5. Whenever you pass 5, is 5 is satisfying the condition? True or false?
False.
10.
True.
15.
True. True.
What is
True.
the first matching value? Nothing but what is the first value it is
Ten.
matching to?
10.
5.
A. I just now told you, right? Here you will get false, true, and true. First matching value is 10. No. So your find will return 10. Am I clear how find will work?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Let's assume your elements are 5, 6, 7. Assume your elements are 5, 6, 7. Is find will return anything?
Nothing, sir.
No,
No.
nothing.
Exactly. If I say 100, 200, 300, 100, 200,
100.
300.
100.
Exactly. Okay. Yeah, I think everyone clear on point. Now let's talk about sum. You know English meaning of sum, right? Everyone knows, right? Meaning of sum. Now what it will do, it will check if any one of matching with the condition, any one of. So then it return true. If anyone match, it return true. If none of them match, it return false. I'll repeat, sum return false. Okay, when it return true, if anyone satisfying the condition. Okay, if all are not satisfying the condition, return false. Let's talk about this one, guys. 1, 2, 3 is your array. Okay.
Sir,
And
every
then
means it has to satisfy all elements.
wait.
should not.
Let's complete sum. Okay. Okay. Let's complete the sum. Okay. Yeah. Let's see sum. Again, x is nothing but 1, 2, 3. First time it will become 1. Yeah. Tell me, guys. Condition
2
true or
and 3
false?
return. 2 and 3.
No. First time condition return
False.
true or false?
False.
Next.
False.
Next.
True.
True. So anyone is matching? Anyone is satisfying the
Yes.
condition?
1 is satisfied.
Correct. So you will get return true, guys. Let's assume you have elements 1, 1, 1. You have elements
The
1,
result
1,
will
1.
be Boolean, sir, in
You-
sum.
Yes, Ma, correct. You are right. Your sum every return Boolean values. Okay. Sum and every return Boolean values. I hope everyone clear the sum. Now a little change to the every is it will check each element, guys. It will check each element. And if all elements are satisfying the condition, then only it return true. If any one of fails, it will return false. So now I think the logic I have written something, checking even number. I think the slide was cut it, but it is equal to 0. Now guys, 2 mod equal to 0. True or false?
True.
True. 4,
True.
6.
True.
So every will return true,
True.
guys. Let's take an example. 2, 5, 6 is there. 2, 5, 6. Now what do you get?
False.
True,
False.
false, and true, right? So yeah, as I told you, every will return true if all are true. But if we say 2, 5, 6, then one will be fail. No? Then it will return false, guys. I hope on high level you got the context on all. I have more examples also. Don't worry. Next slide. So we'll be see, guys. So I've taken a marks. Guys, I'm a little bit fast, but you can happily stop me in the chat. If anything you want to revise, I'm a little bit fast. I have a marks 50, 21, 72. Okay, 3 subject marks are there. 50, 21, 72. Now let's take the first use case here. Okay, let's take, the first use case here is add 5 marks to each subject. Add 5 marks to each subject. Tell me, guys, which one I have to use? Filter, map, reduce, sum,
Map.
every.
Map.
Why?
For each subject,
Each element will
You are
have to add.
modifying it. Each element you are modifying it. Modifying nothing but mapping. Please, you can use the same words. Modifying nothing but mapping. Modifying nothing but mapping. Map is a function is used to modify. Guys, is a code C. Marks is your array. Okay. Dot map. And you're writing one callback. So the callback takes single argument. And you have single return statement. That's what I was not using return keyword. Okay, so you can see mark plus 5. And if I print the new marks, yeah, you can see, guys, 55, 26, and 77. Okay, this is something in a map. Now let's get into the next requirement. I want to calculate sum of all subject marks. Guys, tell me which one how to take.
reduce.
Right, because we need a single element from an array, right? See, marks dot reduce. As I explained, subject 1, subject 2, nothing but 50 and 21 first time. Then it will be 71, right? So 71 will be stored into sub 1. Now your 72 will be stored into sub 2. Now final return 71 plus 72, around 143. So total marks will become 143. Now next one, guys. I need your answer. Which one I have to use? Hey, filter or map, what will you use?
Filter.
Filter. Okay, if I use filter, what it returns as per the requirement in the marks?
Map.
Let's say the pass marks is 35. Pass marks is 35. Tell me, what is a new array?
Map.
హలో డాడీ అయిపోయింది డాడీ
Okay.
Hey, Kavya, Budapati, can you go mute now? Guys, please double check. Okay. Guys, tell me what will be the elements in new array? Quick.
50, 70.
Correct. Right. So that's what your filter will do. So I think, yeah, you need to focus on condition C. Marks dot filter. Okay, each mark, and just you're checking marks is greater than 35. Now, if you print your pass marks, right, it 50 and 72. I'll ask a wonderful question at the end. So everybody has to ready with your answers. Okay. I think the first three are clear, everyone. Now let's go with the next one, guys. Find first subject mark which is passed. Tell me, guys, which one I have to use? Find first subject mark which is passed. Hey, we have a two subject, right? 50 and 72 are passed marks, above 35, right? Which one is the first one? 50, right? So I want to print 50. Which one I have to use?
Find.
Right, exactly. Find, see, marks dot find. Okay,
Find.
marks dot find. Yeah, as you can see, the condition C, marks greater than 35. Same code, no? Filter and map find. There is no change. Okay, filter will return a new array, but find will return only first element which are matching. Okay. Next one, guys. Check at least one subject is passed.
Some.
Yes, you understood it. When do you sum now? At least one. Okay. See, guys, same condition again, right? I mean, same arrow function. You have to use it. So now, if you is passed variable, what it returns? Hey, is passed. What it returns?
True.
True or
True, right? Why true? Because we have 50 pass and 72, right? Now, in case of sum, if I pass something in every, see, check all subjects are passed.
False.
Now, guys, yeah,
False.
what it returns? False. Why?
False.
Why it return false?
21
21.
is
Every
Right,
element
21
not
is
false.
correct. Right, correct. Now, guys, a quick question. Map will return one value or a array.
array,
New array. Nice. Reduce single value and array.
single value,
Single
Right.
value.
Nice. Filter.
Newer.
based on
New
condition.
New array. No. Whatever the condition right now, we'll create a new array. Okay. Find single value or array.
Single value.
Single value,
Nice. Sum.
single value,
Boolean.
Boolean. You should say. Okay. Every.
boolean,
Boolean.
That's it. So yesterday you learn for and for off, right? Yesterday. What is the purpose of both? Guys, what is the purpose of both? For and for off. What is the purpose of both? Fetching element by element from an array, correct? Hey guys, correct.
yes
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So in advanced methods in JavaScript, we have a one ready-made method like map, reduce, filter, find, sum, every. We have a one more method called something, for each. So the requirement, if you see, I want to show all subject individually. Nothing but one after another, like 50, 21, and 72. Then guys, you can see marks dot for each. Okay, marks dot for each. For each will take an argument as a callback, and there it will take single argument. So I did not use a parenthesis. And yeah, you can write one line or many lines. Yeah, since I was writing single line, so I will remove the flower basis, and then I written console.log of mark. Mark. See, I written mark. Nothing but each marks will be printed. So what I want to conclude here, for off, for each, all purposes to fetch element by element from array. But for each is a one advanced method. It's not a mechanism. It's a method, and it will take an argument as a callback. So your callback, see, it will taking a single argument. And yeah, if you want to do any logic, you can write inside the flower basis, guys. I hope everyone clear on advanced methods in JavaScript.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but I was not wind upping this concept because we will be using this in real-time projects in regularly. So my next chapter is objects. So there I'll incorporate where we can use it, like Zomato use case I taken, right? Same Zomato use case I'll take it. Like we'll take some items and we'll add the item into the cart, and then we'll try to apply this all guys. So then you'll get end-to-end flavor. Okay. So this is something advanced methods in array, and yeah, hope you know this, everyone. Array inside array, multi-dimensional arrays. You remember in C or Java or Python, we can create a array inside array, right? We do have a one-dimensional, multi-dimensional, two-dimensional, like matrix format. So in JavaScript also that's possible. So yeah, a multi-dimensional array nothing but yeah, array inside array simply. Now guys, example if you see, I created an array with the name matrix. The first white color flower basis if you see, it's a main entry, main exit of an array. And the red color one, right? I created a first array with 1, 2, 3. And I created a second array with 4, 5, 6. And third array, 7, 8, 9. Maybe you have a cross question here. So can I write 1, comma 33, comma 44, comma 55 in first red color array? Yes. It will become your jagged array. Those who have a knowledge on Java, it's a jagged array, nothing but in each row, you need not to
Yes, sir.
fix the number of elements. Okay, you can increase whatever you require. But this is something, a multi-dimensional array in JavaScript. But a quick question everyone know, I want to access 8 guys. I want to access 8. Tell me how do I access 8?
Row and column, sir.
Tell me what is a row index and what is a column index?
2
for
comma
8?
1, sir.
Row number 3, column number 2.
Correct. So this is a row indexes, right? And this is a column indexes, right? Right. Now, if you want to access 8, yeah, it should say matrix of 2 of 1. So then, you can access this 8. Am I clear how to access elements from, a multidimensional arrays? Guys, make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll show you a code snippet also. This way, guys, we can access. Let's say I want to access 6. See, 6 is sitting on one row and second column, guys. So that's how we do this. I hope this will make sense, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. And I think I remember I do have one more last topic in others. Something, unpacking, or we can say something, destructuring. We should call it as, it's a destructuring. So before I want to destructuring, guys, I'll give a simple example. Let's say you went to a grocery shop, okay, and you buy some masalas, okay, masalas, 3 different masalas you buy it. I mean the ingredients. So what you're doing there, you're packing all 3 different covers in a main bag, correct? That's we call it as packing. And once you reach the home, what you will do? You'll separate them into individual small boxes, correct? That's what actually we have to call as unpacking, or you can say destructuring, guys. So a destructuring is, I think we covered this, right? Spread and rest. Sorry, I missed this slide. Spread and rest we covered. Can anyone unmute and tell me what is the purpose of spread operator, purpose of rest operator? Anyone unmute and please tell me. Guys.
It is used to
Correct. Right. It is. You remember we use 3 dots in both cases, correct? 3 dots. Spread used to measure the 2 arrays, right? And rest. Hey, rest. Okay.
To stop.
Next,
No,
multiple arguments.
Yes, nice. It will take multiple arguments, right? So yeah, I have that example also. Don't worry. See, spread operator expand the arrays. See, I created A array, B array, and I'm using spread. See, result equal to 3 dots A, comma 3 dots B. Now if I do result, you'll get 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing but we join both arrays. Now rest parameter, right? It will gathers multiple elements in a single element. See, I created a function sum. Okay, and now guys, if you see 3 dots num, nothing but the sum function take one element or many number of elements as an argument. Now guys, just now we learned reduce, right? Guess what reduce will do here? Nums is array. Okay, now what reduce will do?
Add both.
Add all
three
elements.
numbers.
Yeah, add all elements. When you
Combine
pass to-
single element.
yes. So when you do Zomato order, 100% this reduce will be executed, guys. You may order 2, and one of your friend orders maybe 7 items, and one of your friend will order 10 items. Yeah, this function will work for 1 item, 2 item, 10 items, 20 items also. Okay, and yeah, this is what I was talking about the last topic, destructuring. Okay, last topic in JavaScript arrays, destructuring. It's nothing but unpacking. Okay, you can just remember a word, unpacking. And yeah, unpacking method, you can extract each value from your big array. So guys, this is a simple example. See, right side, focus your eyes on right side. 10, 20, 30 are in a brackets, right? Nothing but you're in grocery shop and everything is there in your bag. The right side portion I'm talking about. Now, left side of equal, if you see, you are in home. Now you are keeping them, in individual small boxes. Nothing but X, Y, Z are, your small boxes. Okay, and definitely, guys, you have to use a let. Okay, let or constant. Now, if you see, 10 will be stored into X, 20 will be stored into Y, and 30 will be stored into Z. So if you print X, Y, Z individually, you get 10, 20, 30. So I don't want to elaborate this. A simple topic, destructuring nothing but unpacking your array values to individual variables. Unpacking your array elements into individual variables is called as, your destructuring. Okay. Sir, why you're not executing on compiler? Hey, thanks. I think someone asked this question. Because yesterday I explained nobody. If I explain some topic in Notepad++, and if I go again in an online compiler, it is taking a lot of time, right? That's the reason I asked your acknowledgement yesterday. How was the slides? Guys, are they not looking good? I mean, are they making any confuse to you? I know the industrial I was skipping executing programs on Visual Studio Code online compiler. Are they not helpful? But whenever required, I'm using it definitely. But I need everyone acknowledgement, guys, because I thought to go with same kind of slides in further concepts also.
No, it's fine.
Okay. Can I get multiple acknowledgements, please?
Fine, sir.
Okay. Okay, I could see multiple thumbs ups. Okay. Nice. Yes, Hemash. Hemash. You raise your hand. No? Okay. Maybe you're doing some like or something. Okay. So yeah, I'll be sharing this, entire PPT to you. And guys, the next topic in non-primitive data types is I'm done with array and just sit at least 10 to 20 minutes to answer this all. Okay. To answer this all. Okay. And yeah, then I'll start today's next topic is that is something, objects. Yes, let me recall where we were exactly. So we were at, a non-primitive data types in JavaScript. Okay. So the first topic is that what we covered is, arrays. And second topic is something, object. So I was discussing about object now. And after your array and object concept is done, there are two more non-primitive data sets are there, set and map. So yeah, first let me finish object. Then I'll discuss something, why they introduce set and maps, even though we have, arrays and object. So let's start, array and object first differences. Okay. There's a small differences there, array and object. There's a small differences there in array and object. The difference is let's take a student equal in square basis 501 Ajay. Let's say 21 is age, and Trebly is the branch, and I was writing false, unmarried status, marital status. Okay, guys, I'll repeat. This is array. Can array store heterogeneous?
Yes, sir.
Hey, yesterday I explained. No, you should say yes, undoubtedly.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Yes,
array
sir.
can store heterogeneous. Nothing but see, one number, one string, again number,
Multiple
string,
data types.
boolean. Yes, different
Multiple
data types. You can store it. Okay. Guys, there's a slight change between array and object. There's a small change. Examples, you can give 100 guys if you understood this. Example, 100 examples you can give it by yourself. This is your array, right? As I explained yesterday, your array elements will be sitting on indexes, and indexes starts from
0.
so this is sitting on 0, sitting on 1, sitting on 2,
Two,
sitting on 3, and sitting on 4. Now focus this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All are your indexes, correct? Guys, all are your indexes. So now we can say your array elements are index based. I'll repeat, your array elements are index based. In 0 index 501, 1 index Ajay, 2 index 21, 3 index triple E, 4 index false. Let me change some terminologies now. Guys, I'll be changing some terminologies now. What is 501 according to student? Hey, my question is very crystal clear. What is 501 according to student? Is it 0?
Rule number.
Yes. Excellent. That's what I expected, buddy. Someone said the answer. Okay, it's a rule number. It's not 0. According to student or according to student, 501 is a rule number. And according to student, what is Ajay?
Name.
And what is 21?
Age.
What is triple E?
Department. Branch.
Guys, you are following, right? This is name, and this is age, and this is a department, and the last one is marital status. Marital status. I just now explained your array is index based. Now the next topic is whatever I was introducing something object. So there's a small difference is there array and object. Object is key based. That is only one difference, guys. Array is index based, and always index starts from 0, and your object is key based. Nothing but rule number is a key, and its value is 501. Name is a second key, and its value is Ajay. Age is a key, 21 is a value. Department is a key, triple E is a value. Marital status is a key, false is a value. I hope this concept is clear, everyone. The difference between array and object. Array is index based, object is key based. Make sense, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, let's create an object. Yes, it's very simple, trust me. First step is we should use flower basis. No square basis, we should use flower basis. Am I clear? Step number 1.
Yes, sir.
I just now explained your object is key based or index based.
You have to write key.
Age.
Key. So what is a 501 key?
Roll
ID.
number.
ID or rule number or serial number, whatever. That's your wish. So your ID is a key. Okay. Your ID is a key, and 501 is a value. Now, Ajay is a value. What is a key?
Name.
Guys, you should represent like this only. Key colon value. ID is a key, 501 is a value. Name is a key, Ajay is a value. Next.
Age.
21. Next.
Department.
Next. Can I say this way? Is married? Guys, does that make sense?
Yes.
Right. So I think everyone clear on it, I believe. Now this is we how to call it as, guys, this combination we how to call it as key value pairs. Okay, this is key and this is value. Key and value. So this key value pair is called as an object. A key value pair is called as object. And collectively a key comma value is called as property. Okay, collectively a key comma value is called as a property, guys. Now we can say a student has now 5 properties. I can say a student has 5 property. Property 1 is ID, property 2 this, property 3 this, property 4 this, and property 5 this. I hope everyone clear how to create an object.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, as I told you, you can give multiple examples. Now, can anyone unmute? And yeah, guys, anyone unmute? I'm supposed to ask one question. Anyone? I'll ask you question to you only if anyone unmute. And we'll go with some examples. Rohit, yeah, Rohit, stay. Can you create an object for mobile now? Mobile. Just imagine a mobile.
Yes.
Yeah, let mobile.
Mobile
Mhm.
is equal to
Flower basis. Tell
Flower
me one
basis.
key. Tell me one key of your mobile.
version VER
Yeah, version, right? So yeah, tell me what is the value?
Android 3.5 some jump
Correct. So Android, some version, some 3.4, whatever. Okay, what else?
version.
RAM, storage,
Yeah,
space.
yeah, exactly. RAM, right? Maybe 8 GB. Yeah, next row.
Um,
RAM
Company.
is key.
Maybe
Company.
256 or 256.
RAM.
Maybe. Next.
Processor.
storage.
Correct. Processor. Array, everything you're telling, but you're not telling this man model.
Model.
What is the
Brand, sir.
model?
Company.
Yeah, some Oppo or whatever it is, right? Oppo F9 or whatever it is. Guys, I think everyone following, I believe. Let me ask one more guy. Rohit, you can unmute. You can mute. Mani, you want to say one more example? Mani?
Sir, yes, sir.
Chalo, let's talk about, employee now. Employee. Go ahead.
Let employee
Hmm.
flower basis ID.
Correct. Every employee has ID. Maybe 101. Next.
Unique
Value.
ID, sir. And name.
Yes. Name, key, value, whatever it is. Yeah, money. Next.
Role, sir.
Yeah, a role. Right. You're right. So it's a senior software engineer or whatever it is. Okay. Next.
Company.
Yes. Company. Nice.
That's enough.
Yeah.
Package.
Okay.
Salary, sir.
Yeah. Package.
Already-
Yeah. So many things you can give it. So many things. Guys, are you following how to create objects now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And tell me here, how do I access Ajay from array? From array.
Index.
From
Yes.
array.
Next.
So
First
how you
one.
say
One.
student
Student
or
True index.
right now, guys? Similarly, if you ask,
Answer.
sir, how to access? Yeah, guys, how to access Ajay here? Can one guess?
Key based
No,
on
Name.
First.
I told you, no. Yeah, guys, I told you, no. Array is index based. Your object is key based. You should not write 1, 2, 3. You should say key. So your key is name. Am I clear? Guys, this is the main difference. See, this is index based. This is key based. Are you following?
Only
Sir.
for string we write.
Come again? No. If you want to access ID also, you should say in single quotes only. I got your question. And if you want to access age also, you should say this way only. But this is a little bit, I mean, I should not say it's a old way. It's a one of the way. But the another simplest way is just you can say dot name. And you can say dot age also. Okay, this is using dot operator we can access, and using square brace also we can access this. Which one you comfortable? Dot or square braces?
So we want
Dot.
square base or
Dot,
flower
sir.
basis.
Come again?
We want to use flower basis or square basis.
Nice question, Rohit. That's what I'm coming to the next question only. Okay, let's say guys, the fifth key. If you see fifth key, what is the fifth key?
He is married.
It's a
True or false, sir?
single word key or multi-word key.
Multi-word.
Sometimes, guys, sometimes your key can have this way also. Sometimes your key also this way. I mean, with space separation also you can give it in single quotes also. Sometimes, this is also a valid way to create a key, guys. Now, if you want to use dot operator, okay, this way it will scold, guys. So this never work. This is never work. Okay, this is never work, guys. It will get an error. And always your first approach is suggestible. Always your first approach is suggestible by using, array-like notation. We call it as, array-like notation. I know you people are, feeling the second approach is good, but yeah, second approach is good. But the limitation is if your key has single word, if your key has single word, then your dot operator is preferable, guys. But if your key has multi-word, then obviously the first approach is not recommended, guys. But in projects perspective, yeah, we'll be using this one also. Yeah, this everything will be there in my slides. Don't worry. I was not discussing just theoretically. Everything is there in the slides. Okay. Can we store multiple values for a single key? Yes, Ganesh. Yeah, that thing. Lot of things are there. I was just started a trailer today. For object, I just started a trailer. Okay. I can show you the full cinema maybe tomorrow. Okay. So maybe guys, whatever I covered so far as part of your, objects, let me show you some slides. Okay. So that, you won't miss the flavor. Let's open it. Yeah. Guys, I was talking about object, right? I given a note here. See, think of an object like a dictionary. If you have a dictionary in your hand, how it will be? Left side, you have a word. Right side, you have a meaning, correct? That way, guys, your objects will work. Those who are from Java background, you can make a note. It's a big chapter in your collection. The chapter name is map, MAP map. Map is an interface. And those who are from Python, you know what is it. Guys, those who are from Python, what is it?
Dictionary.
Exactly. So it's a straightforward dictionary concept. Straightforward dictionary concept. Okay, let's talk about a definition now. See, a definition, if you see, an object is a collection of key value pairs, right? Each key is called as a property name, and the value can be anything. Yeah, it could be a string, number, array, function. Okay, anything it could be. Now, guys, I'll be creating one student object. See, so let student equal to flower basis. Yeah, see, name is the first key, where is the value, age is the second key, 22 is a value, course is the third key, BTech is a value, marks is a key, and 85 is a value. And finally, how to close with flower basis with semicolon. Yeah, semicolon is optional again. Yeah, here, guys, if you see, name, age, course, marks are keys, or you can say properties. And Veda 22, BTech 85 are, values. So the pictorial representation you can see at right side. Yeah, so the left side all are keys and the right side are, all are values. And each, key value pair, we can say property. So we have totally 4 properties in this object. And I was discussing about this one just now. So if you want to access object values, there are two possibilities are there. Possibility one is dot. I told you it's not recommended, but it's very shorter way. But yeah, the second approach is bracket notation. This is always a recommended. See, the first console.log, I was calling student.name. So it written Veda directly. And yeah, even you can write student of in double quotes or single quotes. If you write age, you will get 22. So on last comment, if you see my comments, use bracket notation. Yeah, how to use a bracket notation when your key has, multiple words, nothing but, has spaces. It is recommended. The first one is always, you'll write in programming. But in projects, if you see, mostly you can see in array-like notation. Right, I think, yeah, let me go, a little deeper. If you see, the first thing is, how to add a new key. Yes, how to add a new key. If you see, how to add a new key. 1 second. Can we single object store multiple same type of object? We can, but you have to wait, buddy. Okay, yeah, let's talk about this, guys. 3 operations I was talking about now. Let's focus. Now your student object has how many properties? Hey, we go step by step.
Two.
Okay, so this is your key 1 and this is your key 2, correct? Now, first operation we'll see today. So I want to add a new property. How should I? 2 ways you can do. Same, either dot or square basis. Which one is comfortable you can. Now guys, student dot course. See, I was adding a course because course key is not there. Now course is BTech. Yeah, it will be added. Now I'll be adding one more key. That is something, marks, and its value is 90. Now guys, after these two lines, if you do a console.log, of your student, okay, yeah, how many properties you can see? Four. Yeah, guys, you can test it. This, please. You can test it. Now let's talk about the second one, guys. Update. Nothing but if you see his old key, age, and which value is 22, right? Now I decided to update it. So the same syntax. See, yeah, guys, here also you can use a array-like notation also. I missed this. You can use the second one also. Student of marks. You can use same syntax also. See, dot age equal to 23. Nothing but a new value is updated. Now after this line, if you do console.log, what is your output after this line? How many properties? Four. Now in this case, what will be the age value now?
23.
23. Correct. It's not 22. Now the last one, guys, delete. Guys, yesterday you remember I explained about new keyword. Can anyone summarize me what new keyword will do?
Will allocate memory.
Hey, yesterday we discussed, no man. Let my array equal to new array. You remember? This way also we can create
It
a
will allocate memories.
new keyword will allocate the memory. Guys, the way that I created an array, similar way, guys, you can also create object also like this. Let my object equal to new object. Can you guess what new is doing here? Hey, in the second line, what new is doing? Hope you guess.
Creating new object.
Creating memory for object.
Guys, you should say this way. First line, new keyword will allocate a memory for your array. New keyword will allocate a new memory for your array. And the second line, new keyword will allocate a new memory for your object. So new keyword will allocate, whereas delete keyword will deallocate, guys. Okay, now if we see delete student.marks, guess what it will do? Hey, guess what it will do?
Delete marks.
It delete the marks property, correct? Now, after this line, if I do console.log of student, how many properties you can see? Only 3, right? Guys, I was expecting you to just practice one time. Now, the way that I have explained, you can write the code and you can test it, whether they are all are working as expected or not. Guys, is everything clear? How to add a new element into object, how to update an existing element in object, how to delete an existing key. Is everything clear? Please confirm everyone in the chat, or you can just give a thumbs up.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. I want to discuss you one more thing, maybe. Guys, maybe this weekend I will be traveling, so I won't be available Thursday and maybe Friday. So if you just allow me, I'll extend at least 5 to 10 minutes so that at least the weekends you can work on arrays and object. Whatever the task I give an array, yeah, you can practice it today. Tomorrow, once if I finish object, I'll give you task on object as well. But I'm sure I'll try to cover that use case also, the Zomato use case with arrays and objects. Because without this arrays and objects, no programming you can see in Angular or React. No programming without arrays and without object concept. Everybody should know what is arrays and object. Okay, these are, I can say, pillars of complete JavaScript, arrays and object.
Sir,
Okay. Yes.
sir, if we delete students means it will delete complete objects.
Yes, it will delete the entire memory for that object. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Guys, maybe I can spend some time to explain object one example. Maybe it could be a big example. Okay, let's start creating a student object now. Yeah, let's start creating a student object now. Let me do a console.log of student. Okay. Okay, so yeah, let me run it. Yeah, here you can see an empty. Now, guys, if it is a student, yeah, we can give ID. Just tell me, ID is ID is a key. ID is a key which has a single value or it can have multiple values. Think. Hey, I'm talking about a student. One value,
Single,
correct?
sir. Unique value.
Okay, nice. Okay, I'm just going in depth. Guys, I'm just going in depth. So focus. Now I have a one more key courses. Just think yourself. Guys, just think yourself. How many courses you are attending now? Now tell me.
Multiple values, sir.
Now, since yesterday you are learning one concept. Since yesterday you are learning one concept to store multiple values. What is that?
Array.
Yes. Use array symbol and write your first course is Java. Okay. And next course is something, UI. And next course is something, DBMS. Guys, I hope this is make sense, everyone. First ID, we know the value is single value. But second key is courses. And we know, yeah, its value is not a single value. It will be a multiple value. So that, you can create an array also at the right side. I mean, it's a value. Does that make sense? Please confirm, everyone. When to create a value as an array inside the object.
Yes, sir.
No worry, I'll go with multiple examples. No worry. Guys, tell me, you people having one phone number or multiple phone numbers?
Multiple.
Correct. Multiple phone numbers. Now tell me, the value is. Hey,
Array.
correct. So it could be this, right? It could be, this, your first number. And yeah, this could be, your next to phone number. I hope you guys are following, I believe. Okay. Let's get into the next one, guys. Know your gender. Go ahead now. It's a single value or multi-value?
Single value.
Correct. So let me take something, male. Okay. Let me go with interesting thing. Your name. Guys, take your time. Don't be rushed. No. Take your time. Just think when you're filling some forms or something.
Multiple, sir.
Multiple.
Because
Name last.
a name can have two words
Ah,
like
but do you recommend it to write this way, guys? Virat, Kama, Kohli. Do you really think this way? Alright, just think. A name is a student name is Virat Kohli. Do you really think this way is a good representation?
No, sir.
We know, right? Virat is maybe a first name. Kohli is maybe a last name. Or Kohli may be a first name or Virat is maybe a last name. But this is not the right way. Agree, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, in that case, guys, this is very important. This way, I mean, in this case, what you can do, you can create one more object, and we just now learn it, object nothing but key values. So the first key can be a first name, and its value may be a Kohli, okay, and you need to take one more key, that is something, last name, and it could be a value something, Virat. Guys, are you aligned? Why I
Yes, sir.
took an object here? I know you people are understanding, but you may get confused if you write your own. But I'll give you one more use case. Let's see how many people will guess this. Mail ID is there, guys. Go ahead. What you will do? What you will take?
Create an object.
Are you sure? We'll take object mail ID. A student mail ID. Array. Single value. No.
Single, sir.
Oh, okay. Virat at the rate maybe something, gmail.com. Right? Yeah, I'm coming to the next interesting thing. Guys, I'm coming to the next, interesting thing. That is something, yeah, 1 second. Maybe let me put this way. Okay, your address. This is interesting, guys. I'm sure this will be interesting. Tell me, it's a single value or multi-value or object? Take your time. I'll repeat the questions. The address key has a single value or multi-value nothing but array or another object.
Okay. Present address, permanent address.
Which pin code?
Yes, yes. I'll come to that, in a different way that is. But if you just think, your current address, okay, I'm sure this will be a object. So your key will be first key may be a house number, right? And the value may be some a string, maybe 1 2 slash 2 slash some 3 or whatever it is. Now let me take one more key, something, city. Yeah, let's say Hyderabad. And let me take one more key, something, pin code. Let me take 5 lakh some 50. Okay, fine. Guys, now if you see address is a key which has a value as an object. Up to here, clear everyone? The properties I taken here.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Everyone,
Sir, will you explain address?
which one? Which one you want to explain? Why
From
I
the
took
right
an
side
object?
address. Yes, sir.
Come again. I'm sure
Right
you're
side,
asking, sir, how you are confirming,
how is
a right side part is, object, correct? Okay, I'll go with, one more use case here so that maybe you can understand. Pin code is done, right? I guess everything pin code up to pin code. See, house number is a single value, we know. City is also a single value, we know. Now, pin code is also a key and which has, a value is a single value, we know. The very interesting, guys, I was taking something more location. So location is a key. Just think, guys. Hey, location nothing but don't say, I'm beside some bank or beside something. No, I'm talking about, a real location. A Google location nothing but what? Anybody knows?
current location or live location?
Latitude and
no.
longitudes.
Link.
Exactly. Your latitude and longitude. Now you have to give the two values. So let's say, guys, your latitude this. Okay, let's say your longitude this. But is it giving more information, guys? Like, it's a latitude and it's a longitude. Is it giving more, meaningful data here? If I say like this in array? No. Then you should make it as an
Latitude.
object. Correct. You should make it as a lat. And you should make it as, it's a longitude this way. Now, if you see location is a key and its value is one more object. So now if you run it, guys, right side, you can see my entire object. I know, guys, this is the first time you are hearing, but what I want to summarize today. Today, guys, I explain how to create a array inside an object. See, array inside an object. Now, today I explain one more thing also, how to create object inside object. Nothing but nested object. See, this is also a nested object. Again, this is also a nested object to this. No worry, I'll go with so many examples. Maybe I can take one Big Basket or Amazon website, and I can derive entire thing. It's an object. If you go any website, it's a concept of object, guys. Go any
So
website.
it's
Tomorrow
like
I'll-
a div, some
no,
reference
no.
to it, div tag,
No. It's not related to refined, defined anything. It's
like the
completely
organizing
talking about.
container.
Yes. It's completely talking about my data. It's completely talking about,
Like a
organizing the
reference
data.
of, okay.
Okay, no worry. I'll take one real-time example and I'll show you tomorrow. Okay. But guys, everyone are sync, right? How to create array and how to create object. How object is different from array. Does
Yes.
everything make sense?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
forget, sit on this task and complete it. And tomorrow also I'm planning to give some tasks on objects also. Okay. Yeah, that's all for today, guys. Thanks for your time. I know hope you are hungry. Yeah. Thanks for your time. Bye, guys. Good night.
Thank you.